Welcome. In this practice, we'll explore something simple yet powerful. How just 3 mindful breaths can reset your whole state of being. You don't need hours of meditation to find calm. And sometimes, 3 conscious breaths are enough to change the direction of your day. So, wherever you are, just settle in. Let your body rest in a position that feels natural. Close your eyes now if you like, or simply soften your gaze. Take a slow breath in through the nose and let it ease out through the mouth. And again, inhale, and then exhale. Feel the shift beginning, even now. Now let's move into the practice of the 3-breath reset. The first breath is about arriving. As you inhale deeply, notice your body right here, right now. Feel the air enter your lungs and feel your chest expand. And as you exhale, imagine dropping an anchor into the present moment. You're no longer in yesterday. You're not even yet in tomorrow. You're only right here. So take another full breath in and exhale slowly. Let the body grow heavy and rooted. This first breath reminds you are here, and that's enough. The second breath is about releasing, and as you breathe in, become aware of any tension, any tightness, or any worry you've been holding. And on the exhale, imagine it all flowing out of you like smoke leaving the body. The jaw softens, the shoulders loosen, and the belly releases. Feel how one simple breath can let go of so much. So take another deep inhale and then exhale, letting the heaviness drain away. With the second breath, you've made space. And the third breath is about renewing. So inhale deeply and imagine breathing in calm, clarity, and energy. Feel the breath move into every cell. And as you exhale, imagine this calm expanding outward, surrounding you, filling the space around you, and radiating into your day. This third breath is a beginning. It's a reset. So inhale again, breathing in calm and steady energy. And then exhale, sending it through your entire being. Now pause just for a moment and notice how you feel. Just 3 breaths, and yet something has shifted. Your body is softer, your mind is clearer, and your presence is stronger. So to deepen this practice, let's repeat the cycle once more. The first breath, arriving. Inhale presence, and exhale into this moment. And the second breath, releasing. So inhale awareness and exhale tension. And the third breath, renewing. Inhale calm and exhale expansion. Three breaths. That's all it takes to begin again. You can carry this tool anywhere, at your desk or in your car, before a difficult conversation, or even lying in bed at night. No one ever needs to know you're doing it. 3 breaths, and the system resets. So take one final slow breath in, hold it gently at the top, and then release with a deep sigh. Just let it all go. And remember, calm doesn't have to be complicated. It can be as close as your next 3 breaths. Namaste.